Hello and welcome to all students currently studying creative media at St George's Academy. This video is a short how-to video for installing the Adobe CC suite on your computer at home. So any of you that have already been given the logins and you've set them all up at home, at school rather, you'll be able to just go through and using your school email address, you'll be able to log straight in. So I'm just going to show you how that works. We're going to go straight onto the Adobe website. Once you're on Adobe, you'll then need to click sign in. Now the sign in is your school email address. So yours will be your username, so 06LW11. Mine is my teacher name at st-georges-academy.org. Then we'll go ahead and click continue. And the password is then the same password that you have set this up with at school. And that will get you logged into the Adobe account online here. So, next, once you've got yourself logged in, you'll see that you've got your account on there. You can click into that and see all your different accounts. But if you click onto your Creative Cloud, you'll then see that this screen appears. And what we've got is a series of different apps at the top. And then it says click desktop app. And also on here, you've got a few different bits and pieces. Now, if you click onto the Install Creative Cloud app, you'll need to get that one first. And that will start downloading for me in there and run that one. And that will run everything for you inside there. You can then you can then download all the apps from inside of there. Also, on here, you'll see all of the different apps that are available. So you can see I've got to run some updates, but these are all the ones that are available to you to download. Everything that you would expect to find on the Adobe CC suite, and they're all free for you as long as you already have an account set up with school. If you have any issues logging into your account, then please do let us know. But if it's just a case of forgetting your password, then please follow the forget password link, log into your school email address, and then change your password that way. You can then click any of these that you wish to download onto your actual desktop and then run them through the desktop as normal. You will need to download the Creative Cloud app first just to make sure that you've got that and signed in so that your actual computer is registered. So for instance, if I wanted to go into Photoshop, you can see I've downloaded it there and it's all ready for me to go. If you do need a reference on any of this, then what you need to do is go to the St George's Academy website, and where all of the information is being kept, we're looking at Students Home Study. Then you'll see this bit down here called Publications Home Study. Click onto that, and then we're going into Computing, and then you'll see it's this one here, Key Stage 4 BTEC Media Download, and that's that one there. Okay, so if you do need it, please click on there and that will show you all the different instructions as well, and you can view that. But apart from that, that will show you how to get on all of the Adobe Creative Cloud suite. Now, and once again, please bear in mind these are very power-hungry programs, so please make sure that your computer is going to be powerful enough to run these without too many issues, but feel free to give them a go. Also, once you click on them and open them up, if I just open up Photoshop, you will see that there are a number of tutorials that you can follow once you've got it set up. So bear with me. You can see all on the bottom here you've got tutorials that you can click on and follow them, which will help you understand and get to know all the different areas of Photoshop even better. And it will show you all of the different things from beginner up to experience level, so it really will tailor your needs right the way through the course. If you need any help at all, please don't hesitate to get in contact via email. And as always, please do stay safe and stay in touch. And I'll see you next time.